Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So today we have again math subject and we have a concept today, near and far. You can see here we have a concept of near and far. You can see the picture, look at the picture, see near and far. We have to see the picture and by seeing that we have to identify which is near and which is far. Near matlab what is the meaning of near? Near means जो अपने करीब है, जो अपने नज़दीक है, उस चीज़ को हम near बोलेंगे. Okay children? And what is far? Far means which thing which is far from us. जो चीज़ अपने से दूर है उस चीज़ के लिए हम far यूज़ करेंगे और जो चीज़ हमारे नज़दीक है, जो हमारी चीज़ करीब है उसको हम near यूज़ करेंगे. Okay? So we have a concept today, near and far. Are you ready for this concept? Now see here, look at the pictures, see near and far. Now see here, I will show you what is near and what is far. You can see this first box. In this first box, you can see ball, bird. Ball and bird. You can see this ball and bird is near to each other. See this bird and this ball is near. You can see ये दोनों एक दूसरे से करीब है, दे आर नियर. बट हियर यू कैन सी द पिक्चर अगेन द सेम बॉल एंड सेम बर्ड बट दे आर फार फ्रॉम ईच अदर. दिस बॉल इज फार फ्रॉम द बर्ड. यू कैन सी ये बॉल जो है बहुत ही दूर है. सो दैट्स वाई वी आर सेइंग इट फार. दिस इज फार एंड दिस इज नियर. दे आर नियर विथ ईच अदर. यू कैन सी एक दूसरे से करीब है ये. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड नियर एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड फार. यू कैन सी दिस पिक्चर ऑल्सो चिल्ड्रन. सी हियर डॉग एंड गर्ल. सो दिस डॉग एंड गर्ल इज नियर. यू कैन सी देर इज नो डिस्टेंस इन बिटवीन. यू कैन सी देर इज नो डिस्टेंस. ये दोनों के बीच में कुछ भी फर्क नहीं है. सो दे टू आर स्टैंडिंग टुगेदर. सो इट इज नियर. एंड यू कैन सी दिस डॉग एंड दिस गर्ल, दे आर फार. The dog is far from the girl. You can see the girl is standing here and the boy is somewhere. So this is called far. Okay children? Now see the same next picture. You can see a tree here. A tree. Under the tree a cat is standing here and one more cat is here. So the cat is near the tree and this cat is far from the tree. Why far from the tree? Because ये वाले ट्री से बहुत दूर है. सो दैट्स वाई दिस कैट इज फार. दिस इज फार एंड दिस इज नियर. दिस कैट इज स्टैंडिंग नियर द ट्री. यू कैन सी ये ट्री के बहुत ही करीब है. दैट्स वाई इट इज वी आर कॉलिंग इट नियर. वाई वी आर कॉलिंग दिस कैट इज फार? बिकॉज दिस कैट इज फार फ्रॉम द ट्री. ये बहुत ही दूर है इस ट्री से. सो दिस इज फार एंड दिस इज नियर. गॉट इट? Now see the dogs. Two dogs are there. This dog is far and this dog is near. ये dog बहुत ही करीब है and this dog is far from the dog. Far from here. Got it children? This is the concept of near and far. With this concept we have a activity also. Are you ready for the activity? So see the activity near and far. You can see the heading here, circle the snail that is near. You can see the picture. By seeing this, we can find snail. This is a snail and one more snail is here. So, altogether how many snails? Two snails are there. So, we have to circle the snail which is near. जो snail करीब है, उस snail को हमें circle करना है. So, tell me which snail is near? This snail is near or this snail is near? This snail is far. You can see ये बहुत ही दूर है. So this is far. We have to circle the near snail. So which is the near snail? This one is the near snail. So we have to circle this like this. Circle it. Okay children? Where we have circle? We have circled the near snail. Okay? Now see the next picture. Circle the child who is far. Circle the child who is far. You can see a beautiful house. Here one girl is standing and one boy is standing. The girl is near the house and the boy is far from the house. You can see. So what is the heading exactly? Here it is written that we have to circle the far child. Who is standing far? We have to circle. Far means बहुत दूर. कौन है दूर खड़ा? कौन है दूर? Tell me, the girl or the boy? The boy is far. You can see the boy is far. So we have to circle it. Okay? The same you have to do the homework as well, children. Thank you all.